selfie stick for the first time here. So today is December 1st. Vlogmas. This will be my first Vlogmas. Maybe my last. We'll see. I'm gonna try and do it every day, but we'll see. I don't know about you, but like the day or so after Thanksgiving, we decided to get out our Christmas stuff. Santa. And when we've got all of that out, got it ready to set up, yeah, we found a leak. So in our nice under the stairs closet, the floor is wet right in the corner. That's the water shut off. They went under the house yesterday and the only thing they found was a dead rat. So that's lovely. But they're coming back today to cut a hole in the wall and see if they can figure out, you know, what's what. And it's, let's see, the house was built in 2003, late 2003, early 2004. We moved in January of 2005. And apparently the leak was from the plumbers. When they built the house, they put a nail right into the copper piping. And the plumber that came out today said that it expands and contracts so it didn't leak all the time. And then we have our family room where we have all of our Christmas stuff. Let's see. Little wreaths that I made from little circle round felt that from the dollar store. They have styrofoam wreaths. I think those are probably about 8, maybe 10 inch, but they're only $1, where at the regular craft store they're probably 6 or 8. So I grabbed a couple of those, and this is probably 5 or 6 years ago, and you just put a little glue dot on the bottom of it and take a pencil and shove it right into the styrofoam, and it holds up. It's been that way, like I said, 5 or 6 years. Looks good. This is a star that Eric cut out with his scroll saw, and then we just spray painted it gold. And then on the tree, we have a lot of homemade. We have a couple of those on the tree. That's a little church window, season greetings, Christmas 2008. I made some ornaments. I took some clear ornaments and put some Mop and Glow in it, and then did some glitter, spun some glitter around the inside. And then I've got this ornament, this green one that have chunky glitter. This one here has small iridescent. This one's pink. These are green chunk. One of the examples I saw for those is the top actually fits right on, or I mean the opening on that. If you take out the metal thing, the light will fit right inside. So you can make all these colors and then stick a light bulb right on the inside, and it looks really cool. I haven't done it, but I saw it done and I thought it was pretty cool. We have a few of these red apples that came from his grandma, who passed away in the early 80s, but we still keep a little bit of everything. There's another one of those clear. This one's white, so it would look really pretty with a green or any color Christmas light in there. Ceramic tree. It lights up. It's got clear lights in it. I grew up with one that was bigger, but it had multiple color Christmas lights, and I like the clear one. Eric, with his scroll saw, made several wood pieces. He made this sleigh with his scroll saw. That is a little, he's got several names. Leaky one, Chow Hound, Tripper. His name is Tripper. Tripper, what are you doing? Who do you hear? Do you hear somebody out there? I don't think there's anybody here. Thanks for watching. Are you a silly dog? Huh? Are you a silly puppy dog? You say, she's talking to somebody, but I don't see anybody. It's because it's on a selfie stick. I'm talking to myself. Well, and whoever watches it, hi, thanks for watching.